Insidious as blind inception. What's reality with all these questions? Feels like I missed my alarm and slept in.
What's up, guys? Okay, excuse the ugliness. I just decided not to put on any makeup, and there's really bad lighting. It's raining outside. It's supposed to be raining for 15 days straight, so I was just like, I put this off enough. I didn't do it last night when I got it because I didn't have any makeup on. I was just like, whatever, I'll do it tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm just gonna do it. I'm doing an unboxing for Cove Outfitters. It is the company I'm an ambassador for. They just have the cutest shirts and caps, and I love them. I've gotten like 4 or 5 shirts from them, and they are the softest things ever. My friends actually have 2 of them because they're so soft that they're just like, no, we're keeping them. Like, and their caps are so cute. I have a tan one and a pink one, and people just love wearing them because they're just so cute. And yeah, so Miss Donna, like, she's the one of the owners. She sent me a package to do for the for my YouTube channel, because she was like, you know, I'm gonna send you a package and you can unbox it for a video. So I was like, I got you. But yeah, I'm so excited. I do not know. Usually, like, she'll text me and be like, this is what I'm sending you and all that. No, I have no idea what I'm getting, so this is really fun. They're such a sweet company. Like, she is so sweet. She always makes sure everything is taken care of. I did a giveaway a couple months back, and it helped a lot. A lot of people loved it. The lady that actually ended up winning the giveaway loves her t-shirt, and she still talks about it. So yeah, just open this and see what's in here. Hold up, using a knife. Probably not the smartest thing to give me. My mom has been like, are you gonna open it? Are you gonna open it? She loves when I get packages, because she's like, oh my gosh, what is it? And so she's been begging me to open it, so I was like, okay, I'll open it. Put this up before I like hurt myself. Alright, here we go. Ooh. See what she said. I love these. She always sends me like little notes with it. She said thank you. It's just one of the little thank you notes. Jilly, you are doing such a great job as our ambassador, and want to thank you with a few things. Enjoy, Donna C&C. She's so sweet. Oh my goodness. She literally called me Jilly. That is like my nickname that my mom gave me, and she loves it. Another pink cap. Oh my gosh, this cap literally goes around. All my friends want one. They all wear it, and I don't know why. Like, the pink is just so cute. So this is perfect because it's Valentine's Day. So I know what she's getting at here. That is freaking adorable. I love that cap. Ooh, my favorite color. I love their shirts. They're just like, I don't know, they're soft. Made in Honduras. I did not even know that. I guess I've never like looked at it. It's 100% ring spun cotton. Yeah, like, look, Cove Outfitters, and then look at the back. It's like this blue, this like light blue, and then like navy blue, and it says Cove Creek. Oh my gosh, it's just one of the pocketed tees. Ooh, this is so cute. Ooh, they even put new tags on them. Like, before, they like didn't have these on here. They come in small, medium, large, extra large, 2XL, and 3XL. Here's the next one. I'm in love with their like white shirts. I don't know why. I just love their white. Like, it just looks so clean and everything. I have another white one that's like you'll see on my Instagram and everything. So yeah, go follow my Instagram. The link will be in the description if you want to see the other white one. But it's just like navy blue and white, and it gets dirty so quickly because, you know, I live on a red dirt farm. So like, it'll get dirty, and like it'll have like red stains and everything from dirt and all that, and all I have to do is stick it in the washer with some bleach, and it completely just cleans it. Like, it's just so easy. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with this one. It's red Cove Creek. Oh my gosh, I just love, and I don't know why their white shirts are even softer than their colored shirts. Like, oh my gosh, look, these are so stinking cute. She also sent me a couple of these. My friends also steal these. Like, they like, they don't usually like end up stealing any of this stuff, but like these, they get their hands on and they'll keep them. So yeah, I got some more, guys. But yeah, oh my gosh, I just love their colors. I don't know why, but yeah. That's it for today's unboxing. So yeah, if y'all want to see any more unboxing hauls, you know, just comment down below. Just comment down below what video ideas y'all want from me. Yeah, my phone is like blowing up and I'm having to film with that because I don't have any of my camera battery packs. I don't know what happened to them. It honestly makes me so mad. But yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.